I arrive, he's made a feast for me. Play some music and we share some green. From the moment that we met, I knew we'd always be family. Take a stroll around the neighborhood. He greets everyone like we all should. From deep in that sweet heart, like the fox he is. If you know him, you will understand, and you may share this sentiment. Well, I can't help but to love this man for the fox he is. What a fox.